Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm sitting in the interior of the 2024 GMC Sierra. Now this tutorial is applicable to any 2022 through 2024 GMC Sierra, whether it's a 1500, 2500, or 3500. This is going to work with this infotainment system. So we're going to show you how to wirelessly pair your smartphone. It'll work the same way for an Apple iPhone as I have today, or an Android device. So you can see what I selected, phone on the screen. We're going to go to Manage Phones, and then right here, we're going to select Add Phone. And you can see the instructions that are given right there on the screen. So what I'm going to do is go right here and go to Bluetooth, and let's see here. Here is my GMC down here. That's usually where you're going to find it, at the very bottom. And then we're going to start the pairing process. So we need to select pair on the phone. We'll also select pair on the screen. We're going to allow right here, or you can choose not to allow, depending on what you want to do with that. And one more thing we need to allow or deny. I'll hit allow right there. And depending on what you want to do, we can go in here into options, and you can have Apple CarPlay turned on. You can actually forget the phone. You can disconnect. There's a few different things you can do. So what I'm going to do is go right here now to Apple CarPlay. And, well, I say I'm going to. Let's see if it will work for me. There we go. And then we're going to go right here. And what's going to happen is we're going to select Turn On. And then you'll see that we have Enable. We've got Terms of Use right there. And let that happen. It's going to connect everything. And I'll let you see what happens on the phone itself. I don't think it's going to have anything else come up, actually. So we're actually good. We're done. And so there you go. That's how you wirelessly pair your smartphone to this 13.4-inch screen. And I showed you where you go to unpair the phone, to disconnect, or to forget the device. Very easy to do. And if you're saying to yourself, well, Tom, wait a second. Before you go, how do we get off of that screen if we want to? You're just going to select Home right here. And you can use that button, or that selection, I should say. And there's also one right here if you want to use that next to the knob for the radio. So if there's a particular tutorial on whether it's a GMC Sierra or any other vehicle that you would like for me to show, tell me down in the comments section, and I'll make that video for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. I'll see you next time.